Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro to the application. Firstly, we need to pair these earbuds with a phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and now open the charging case. If your earbuds have no connection with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see it at the device list. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light located inside, not this one, not outside, because this is a battery level LED light. And right here we have also inside of this charging case LED light, so if it's flashing like I have right now, you will enter to prank mode. Now tap on it at the device list and you can hide the settings. Open Soundcore application and click Add Device. Now tap at the earbuds icon and it's trying to find it, and here we go. Tap at your device and I'm going to skip it, but you can also just click got it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.